Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this super moisturizing lip balm. If you're anything like me, your lips get dry really easily and I have to put on lip balm even before going to bed. Do you guys do that? Yeah, this recipe turned out pretty bomb. So if you want to know how I made this decadent, delicious smelling, super moisturizing lip balm, then stay tuned. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, so I'm going to be adding some shea butter, some beeswax, some coconut oil and some castor oil, and I made such a mess, guys. It still worked out. So yeah, I'll list the exact measurements for everything in the description box below. This is super simple and it's amazing. It's better than any other lip balm you buy from the shops, trust me. So I put it into the microwave until it was completely dissolved, and then I added some benzoin essential oil and some orange essential oil for scent, and I just gave it a good stir just to make sure it was thoroughly mixed, left it alone, allowed it to cool completely, and then it was basically ready to use. So this recipe turned out amazing. I really hope you try it out. Don't knock it before you try it. If you haven't subscribed already, I hope you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Luscious Skin and Hair on Instagram, because I do live videos there and I'm super active on there. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.